Much po ng Bulalayan. And
Congratulations, Geronimo Elementary School! Yo, what's up mga kabuenas? And this is Buenas Vlog. For today's video guys, kami ay nanonood ng live broadcasting ng mga nanalo sa mga journalist tour namin. Bali, nag-live lang sila sa mga GC sa group dahil wala namang pasok ngayon Saturday. Kaya panoorin natin guys kung nakapasok si Kuya RG.
Best in TV Newscast.
thank you so much po ng Bulalayan. And now proceed to radio broadcasting. This category requires effective teamwork, writing, research, voice delivery, timing, and coordination to communicate information clearly and engagingly. To present the awardees in radio broadcasting, may we call on Sir Obit Periabras.
This is Sir Derek, and to represent the trainer and the FASI for Radio Broad, who are on an equally important engagement. Our overall winners for Radio Broadcasting Elementary Level English. Rank 3 goes to San Isidro Labrador Elementary School, The Golden Harvest. School paper advisor, Jessica S. Pascual, and the school head, Bernadette Lazarte. Rank 2, Geronimo Elementary School, the school paper, The Artifact. School paper advisor, D.A. Nardo Jr. School head, Rosita C. Rivera. And our champion, Gumpay Elementary School, The Trail, Burley Abeso. School head, Ma'am Kay C. Ortega.
Ayun guys, okay lang, second place tayo.
To the Radio Broadcast Senior High School,
Sa English,
Angelo.
ay second
And
place
our
lang yung ano.
best news presenter is also
Geronimo
from
Elementary.
Siglan Village
Doon kasi
Senior High
nakasama
School,
si Kuya.
Anika Sorillo. School paper, The Cocoon. School paper advisor,
Okay lang.
Wilmar C. Pana. And
Magre-reward
the school
ulit.
head, Mila Ramirez.
Nagkabiglaan kasi sinend lang yung link nung live ng ng mga awarding sa broadcasting sa journalist tournament nila. So ngayon nakapasok sila Kuya RD for second place para sa English category ng radio broadcasting. Then yung sa Filipino broadcasting nakapasok naman sila sa third place. Congrats guys, at least binigay niyo yung mga best niyo, ha? Congrats! Ayos! So, kung nagustuhan niyo ang video na to, please like, share, and follow na rin para sa mga susunod pa nating vlog. Congratulations! Geronimo Elementary School! At saka sa mga nanalo, congrats! Bye-bye! See you mga kabuenas!
See you mga kabuenos!
Thank you! Bye-bye!